So guys, I've had a very productive morning. I thought I would fill you in on what I was actually doing. Now, as for the editing, that's very self-explanatory. My second work block, I was working on my new lead generation magnet for IAG Media. Now, a lot of you guys saw the 3 ways to make 100,000 from your computer in 2017. Wow, that was very long. Ebook that I put out there. And that is a funnel for my own personal brand because I want to get into coaching. I want to come out with some courses, and you know, now that I know I can do it myself, now that I've built a successful business and I've found other ways to make really good income online, I want to share that with you guys. So anyways, that 100K ebook was basically the lead generation magnet. So it's sort of like a value proposition. So it's a reason for you to want to give forward your email for my coaching services and etc, etc. Now, right now I'm working on a funnel for IAG Media. Now look, IAG Media has done very, very well in terms of referrals. I have what's known as a partner program, which is very exclusive. I only give it to people I trust and my clients that I work with. So I really do incentivize referrals, and I just have really good working relationships with all of my clients, and they're always happy to open up their network to me. But now it's time to systemize and automize. So basically this will be a lot more niche, so I won't get as many people signing up and converting. But basically this, number one, it'll put me in a position of authority. So the ebook I'm writing is how your company is wasting 50% of its marketing budget. And it talks about one nuanced little topic concept. And as I said, it puts me and IAG Media in a position of authority. It gets people signed up to my mailing list. And then once they're signed up, they're gonna get a sequence of 3, 4, 5 automatic responder emails. So emails that I don't personally type, I type out now, and then they just get sent out automatically. And by the 4th or 5th email, they're gonna get offered a free audit. Now, an audit is pretty much where I go over your entire digital marketing from an outsider's perspective, and I give you notes on it. And whenever I do an audit for someone, my conversion rate is very, very high because they can see that I bring a lot to the table. I'm very knowledgeable, and most importantly, like, I actually give a fuck. I put a lot of time and effort into creating the audits. So anyways, the more people who request audits, the more warm leads. So a warm lead is someone who is like open to the idea of working with you, rather than just fucking calling someone you found on Yelp or Yellow Pages. Like, I'm completely against that. So as I said, warm leads are very, very important to me and my business, and that's kind of what I'm working on right now. So although it's meant for business owners, I'll still give you guys the link. I'll probably throw it up on my Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, get on that. I'll throw it up on my Instagram in like a week or so. So yeah, that's what I've been working on this morning.